Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 not detecting headphones when plugged in fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Sound Settings. Select Speakers, click Properties, click Levels change to maximum volume. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements, click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager, click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. After uninstall, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.